everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Makeup. In this video, I'm gonna chit chat with you while applying some skincare routine over my skin. I just shaved my face and I need to add a little bit of serums and creams to make it like not too tight because I shave on dry skin. So I need to add a little bit of moisture and make my skin feel fresh and nice. So it's kind of like smooth and beautiful the next day. So yeah, first of all, as you can see, I completely have nothing over my face, just my skin. I just shaved it. So let's try. So I'm gonna chit chat with you while doing this because in July this month, which is the last day, is today. I hope I can upload like this video in July, not August. But this month I celebrated two things very important in my life. The first thing, I celebrated that I became like not a psychiatrist, but I began to work in a hospital I'm working right now from 5 years ago in the 24th of July. So I finished 5 years in the same workplace, and I really love working there. I have a great friends, and my colleagues and the employee there are very nice and very beautiful kind of a place to work. Not all the time, but of course most of the people there are very friendly, and I really love them. And I feel like home when I go to hospital. I really feel like home and I enjoy my time there. So yeah, I'm very kind of blessed since I began my work as a physician, general physician, and then a psychiatrist. So I work in 3 different places right now. So I am in the 3rd place and I feel so happy, and I finished my 5th year. I began my 6th year there. So I'm so blessed. And the second thing that I'm celebrating, that it's my 8th year of divorce. So if you don't know, if you are new here in my channel, or if you don't know me or my old channel, like my whole story, my engagement, my wedding ceremony, my wedding, my divorce, everything was on my old channel. So of course when it deleted, everything is gone. But I am celebrating, yeah, I'm celebrating my divorce, really, because, okay, let's begin doing this. And so first thing, I'm gonna use this serum. I just make a quick review about it. It will be up on the channel, I guess, after this one. But I'm gonna apply this over. This one is so runny, so just very quickly rub it against my skin. Oh no, please no. It's sudden and it's really noisy. Okay, 1 minute. I will close the door for you, so it will reduce the amount. I really love this serum, as you can see. Once I just apply, it makes my skin so glowy and really beautiful. We love it. So 1 minute. So ignore the mess on the back. I'm cleaning the room. So I am celebrating my divorce because, don't forget to close, because I have cats. If I didn't close it, it would be everywhere. That happened to my L'Oreal hyaluronic acid. I forgot to close a cab because it's kind of a runny one. So it's gone because of my cats spill everywhere. So the next thing I'm gonna use is this hyaluronic acid from Elizavika. I'll also have a review about this. Like an Amazon review, the buying process of the Amazon. So I'm gonna apply just a little bit of this one. This has a hyaluronic acid and some niacinamide acid as well. So again, I'm gonna apply just a little, not but too much. Okay, the cab or the dropper of this one is so annoying. It's so like small, and you need to pay attention when you're applying the dropper inside the bottle again, because it can drip all around. So anyway, so let's rub it. Okay, why I am celebrating my divorce? Because first, it's my first big decision I have ever made in my whole life, and like, to be honest, it's the first one ever, and it's like the first decision. Like, before that, my mom used to take all the decision for me. Even if I take decision, she if she don't like it, like, I will not do it. But this is like against the norm, against everyone's opinion. I will have my divorce, and my mom, my sister, everyone. My sister just was with me just a little, but my mom and everyone around me just like, it's not the right thing to do. But I felt in my heart it's the right thing, because I felt after 3 months of wedding, of marriage, I couldn't see any improvement. I couldn't see us through this marriage, and I knew it will come to an end. So why I don't take that end now and waiting for like a year? My mom used to say, wait for a year and see, but I already knew him. He was my best friend for 7 years and a half, actually, before marriage. So like, I felt like it's a waste of time. So I decided I need to take that decision, and I need divorce, and I got it physically, like not on paper. On paper, I celebrate another day on October, because I have my divorce on paper in October, 3rd of October. But like, we are officially divorced in the 13th of July. So I celebrate these two main things for me, especially my divorce, because like, it's completely dry. As you can see, my skin's so glowing, and I love it. Okay, next. Usually when I shave my face, I use one of two things. If I feel my skin is okay and it's not like feeling so tight and hurting me, I don't use Nivea Men. I use this one. It's a shaving balm for men. I know, I always use it underneath my makeup, but I really use it after shaving, when I feel my skin is not right and I feel like a little bit of pain in my skin after shaving, you know what I mean? I use this, really hydrates my skin and makes it calm like immediately. But if I don't feel that, like my female skin is okay, I use another cream, which is my Rigo Now is St. Ives Renewing Moisturizer with Collagen. It's really amazing, makes my skin so glowing and add a lot of hydration, and it's not heavy on my skin in this time of the year. It's really hot here and very humid, so it's kind of a lightweight. I don't use much, it's just a little touch of it, just like that. Just the smallest amount give me the effect that I need and the hydration that I need for my skin. So again, I'm gonna just distribute it all over, begin to rub. So what was it saying? Yeah, this big decision of divorce really changed my life afterwards. I never regret any decision afterwards, no matter what right or wrong I was. I take all the responsibilities, and from that moment on, I began to take 100% responsible for everything I do, I say, I think, and everything happening in my life, I take the full responsibility for. And to be honest, it was so hard at first, because when you are completely responsible for yourself and everything in your life, and you are creating your life as you go along, and how you think and how you feel and all this stuff, I begin to learn it more about these stuff, and that makes me feel I'm more responsible and more responsible, and this responsibility become 100%. That I know everything bad or good happens in my life, I know I am the reason of it. So it's a big thing that when you take all this, like, it's like the weight of the world over your shoulders. You're not pushing it to another one. You take your responsibility, and you try to figure out like what's wrong with you, and try to figure out how to deal with yourself and how to make others deal with you and how you're gonna deal with others. And it's a lot of things. It's really heavy, but as I go along, just like exercising and practicing muscle, as I go along, it become more easier and easier and more enjoyable, no matter what. It's good or bad, the circumstances that happens in around me. I know that like it's all my decisions, and I need to take the responsibility of these decisions. And understanding that and take that first decision that I took 8 years ago, it was so heavy on me. I spent for like 1 year until I began to fully like feel free and fully get into it. It was so hard for me to be responsible for myself for everything, for like renting, bills, work, myself. Um, like since I was a little girl until I got married, actually, my mom used to take care of me. She was the responsible one. She's my mom. So she was everything. She is the source of money and income in the house, and now it's me, and now I need to learn how to deal with it, and you need to know how to regulate it and know how to spend money and know how to make a budget and all this stuff. It was so hard at first, but if I didn't took that decision 8 years ago, I will never be in the place that I am here right now. I'll be so miserable. My life will be completely different. So it was so hard. It really breaks my heart. I didn't want divorce, but I didn't see any way through. I didn't feel that marriage will go on and it will be successful anyway. Yeah, the most important thing that I saw that really early, so I didn't waste my time and my energy and my life waiting for something to happen, and it didn't happen. And I really learned a lot from this decision, so it's like a big celebration for me. So for me, it's a big thing. I need to open the door because I feel like sweating. Okay. Source of air. So yeah, this is why I really love to celebrate my divorce. It's not only divorce, it's like freedom. It's the big decision that makes me go into the gym of making decisions and begin to making decisions and take responsibility for them. So it's something very important for me. And of course my work, my first day of work ever, it was in May, 25th of May, which was a great day for me. And I want you to say hi to Snowy. Say hi, Snowy. Hi. You're so cute. Love him. You're so cute. You are the most beautiful cat on earth. I say that to all my cats, but... And okay, you can go now. And I want you to meet, if you saw him on my other video, he's big now. He's really big now. Look at this. So I have one cat black and one white, so I feel like I'm playing chess with both of them. This is my kisser. This is my man. Okay. So yeah, I really hope you like this video. I really hope you like my skin so glowy. My lips is a little bit dry, so I guess I need to add a little bit of baby lips over. Okay, I really love the color of this one. So yeah, this is for this video. Now it's time to see you clearly. Here are my glasses. So yeah, I love my skin after this like very small skin or mini skincare routine. Makes my skin glow and feel so soft. Really love it. Really hope you like it too. And if you love this kind of video, you'll love let me know. Alright. If you love this kind of video, let me know. I'll be so happy to make more of them. I have to go. So bye guys. Love you.